Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to use this mounting hardware for your Koda LED Linkable Shop light. So let's go ahead and show you guys real quick. If you guys want to mount this on the flash mount on the ceiling, then you will need to use this template. That like two hole for the screws, and then another one right here. You just need to put this on the ceiling and then draw the hole or do some marking with your pencil. And that's the measurement right there. And they come with this drywall, plastic anchor, and then Phillips screws. So after you to drill the hole in the drywall, you get punch in this plastic anchor into the drywall, and then after that you screw it in and then tighten it with those screws. There are a couple of the washer right there. So you mount this bracket, the metal bracket. Once you did the measurement, that's the midsection right there. Okay, and like 3 different holes. Once you drill in the middle, and they can allow you to slide left or right. Okay, like that. And then a second screw will be drilling on the either left or right hand side, depends on your preference. And you do that on both left and right hand side. And then after that, all you need to do is just push this light fixture against the ceiling and then let it clip. Okay, it's gonna clip in there like that. I'm not gonna push in all the way because I'll decide which one I'm gonna do first. So that's one way of doing it. And then the second way is to put the chain, okay? This is the chain that came with it. And this is a combiner. So I'm going to show you guys on how to do that, okay? In case you guys want to use a chain. So you need to hook this on, unfortunately this one does not come with the ceiling ring. So you need to buy your own. So in my garage, I got the metal bracket already, so I could just see there's a hole, so I could just hook on it. And I'm going to show you the bottom part right here on how to install the bracket. So you see the metal bracket right here. You need to hook it up in one side, either the bottom or the top first, depends on how you want to do it. And after that, you press the spring, push in the clip, and then hook it like that. And that's how you hang the chain. But you need to measure the size where you're gonna hook the chains at, okay? And then that's how you do it. So yeah, I'm gonna hook this up right now in my garage and then show you guys on how to do that. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you want to do that, you can pop this in right now. I believe there's enough clearance. Yeah, there's enough clearance. Once you put this metal plate in there, hopefully I could take it out later on. But I'm going to measure the bracket in the garage first. I don't want to put it in and then I cannot it's going to be hard to slide in and out. So Okay, that is the metal bracket I'm talking about for the garage motor. So I got those motion PIR sensor right there. I got two, one over here, one over there, because one was for that one, the bar, and the other one's for the spotlight. So yeah, since I got the LED shop light for cheap, $19.99 from Costco, I'm just gonna mount it over here on the back of the motor so I can see on this side. Because once the garage door rolls up, it might cover the light. Alright, so I remove all the lights already. Well, except the one that stick on the ceiling. And there's one over there. I gotta disconnect those wire. But I'm going to measure the distance right there for the bar or the garage mounting motor bracket. And then measure that size so I could decide where I'm going to mount those metal brackets for my LED shop light. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, I'm going to do some measurement and then mount this. Alright, it's 42 inches. I'm gonna mount this on a bracket. It's toward the edge, 42 inches. And I'm gonna hook this on those bracket holes. And here's my remote. You can adjust the brightness. Right now it's on the lowest. And then, wow, look at that, so bright. So let's see. That's the highest. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it has a 10 level of brightness from low to high. And you can set it timing to set it off, to turn it off by itself, 30 seconds, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes. I'm sorry, that's auto dim. 30 seconds, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes. And then on the bottom row right here, this is the auto shut off. You set it 30 seconds, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes. And then on the bottom row right here is the motion sensor, short distance, mid-range, and then far. And then this one is the ambient sensor. So in case you don't want the light to come on during like a daytime or something, then you set it lighter. And then this is for the night mode. So I do the short distance. Once you program it, it's automatic lights up. See, every time when I press something, I'll program it. So I'm gonna set out the highest brightness and set it auto dim at 30 seconds, auto off 30 seconds. So for the remote, I'm not gonna mount it. I don't want to drill any more holes, so I'm gonna use this double-sided tape that came with it. Just gonna tape it right here, be sure it's clean. Okay, and then I'm gonna mount this on the near the garage door. And you can hold it like this. So I'm gonna peel this off. And I'm just gonna mount it somewhere that is closer. I'm gonna just mount it here because I don't want to interfere with the garage door opener, because we do that quite often. So be sure you wipe it clean. And then that's it. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.